Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's Date and Walnut Loaf. A very simple egg-free recipe, quick to make, tastes great for tea, and it's quite unusual. There's no creaming of butter and all that sort of stuff. Now I've just got the oven preheated to 180 degrees Celsius and I have greased a loaf pan. To our dry ingredients we add cinnamon, mixed spice, baking soda, that's bicarb soda, not baking powder, don't confuse the two, our brown sugar, our chopped walnuts, and our chopped dates, and we're going to mix those all up. Now to a saucepan we tip our water and our butter and we just make that boil. While that's boiling I just mix these dry ingredients together so it's completely mixed. And the strange thing about this recipe is you actually add this while it's still very hot. You don't have to wait for it to cool. Now I don't chop the walnuts or the dates too finely. I do however make sure there are no pips or seeds in the dates. Back a bit. I don't want it to boil over, but I do want that butter to melt. Alright, we're pretty mixed in there now. Turn it off and our butter's melted. Tip our butter and water mixture into our dry ingredients. Mix it all up and then we tip it straight into our loaf pan and bake it until the skewer inserted in the center comes out clean. Now you have to agree, that's a really simple recipe. Make sure that it's dry and there's no pockets of flour. Now this would be a great camp recipe as well because you've generally always got a billy boiling when you're camping. Alright, now it's quite a stiff batter as you can see. Straight into our baking pan and then straight into the oven. Okay, into the oven we go. Okay, after 40 minutes we just stick a skewer into the center. It comes out clean. That cake is perfectly cooked. We're going to slice it when it's cold and butter it with some nice cold salted cultured butter. So just leave it in the pan for a few minutes until it sort of settles in there and then you tip it out. Hope you enjoyed this little cooking demonstration of Cheekyricho's Date and Walnut Loaf. It's an egg-free recipe. If you'd like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, just check out our Cheekyricho cooking channel. And don't forget to please subscribe and do come back and visit us again soon. We've got so much more to show you and we're uploading lots of videos. And thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Okay, while it's still a little bit warm, we're just going to cut this with a serrated knife and I will show you what it looks like inside. Look how rich and dense that is. It's still lovely and soft, filled with the dates and the walnuts, and oh, the spice smells amazing. I'm going to stick a bit of butter on that and tell you what it looks like. Nice cold butter. Look at the big chunks of dates in there. That's the reason you don't cut it all up. Okay. So good. This will even toast up beautifully. Thanks for watching. Yummo.